When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah. When you find her, when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Chain sin stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I brought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession, guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it, you so exquisite. I'd be dumb if I didn't turn you into my missus. Been through your ups and downs, but with me you only get I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about how I made this wig that I'm wearing. So I'm going to use 3 bundles of the 28 inches straight Brazilian hair and 22 inches of the 360 closure to achieve this look. So let's begin. So this is how the 360 closure looks like. It's laced all around. I start by placing the closure on my mannequin head. My mannequin head isn't the fanciest, but it gets the job done. So I pin down the hair on the mannequin head such that it's not all over the place. I also tie it up because it's easier to plug when the hair is held up. Yeah. And then I also sprinkle some water on the frontal to make it easy to plug. When it's softer, the softer the easier it is to plug. And I use tweezers. You really need very sharp tweezers. These ones I bought them from Roseman at I think €1 or so. It's inexpensive.
Alright bro, so dig this. We come out the bar, it's already like 3 o'clock in the morning. We standing in the middle of the parking lot drunk as shit. She talking about, let's go back to the car, I got a 6-pack in the trunk. I'm like, you know me, but you don't be. Better back the fuck up off me. You soft G, I'm the boss B. Tryna double cross me, it's costly. I'm the coldest, and you know this. When I wrote this, I was focused. Now I'm laughing and I'm walking. Ain't got time for the talking. You hoping and wishing that I ain't gon' start with the dissing. You holding and folding. This chance right here is golden. Yeah, I'm the chosen and the broken, steaming hot and smoking. You choking and coughing. This right here is awesome. I'm the freshest and the flyest on the mic device. I'm like poltergeist, and I say it twice if I need to do it, cause your energy is gonna get me through it. Day and night and day. This is what I came to say. Live now to see another day. Speak now or hold your peace today. I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, I say, what you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? What you gon' do with this? Right here, bring it down. Okay, now we had a whole lot of MCs on this stage here tonight, but I want y'all to know one thing. This is my motherfucking house. Baseline in the drum kit. This right here, that dumb shit. Punch in the eye, slap you in the mouth, jab you in your rib quick. Feel the funk, keep the pace. Now we all up in your face. Keep the faith, don't cross the line. We all up in your personal space. No, not today. I ain't the one you try to play. Get that straight before you move away. Back to the place where your people stay. I rep my team so hard at me. Rep my city trying to be the king, but that just seemed to be the thing to do. But I'm really trying to do my thing. No, I ain't trying to compete with you. I just make it do what it do. What it do, what it do. So fresh, so clean, don't need no crew. This my part.
So after plucking the the baby hair out, I placed the dome cap back onto the mannequin head, and I pin the closure on top of the dome cap because I'm going to sew it in. Now for the dome cap, you know, some things are very, very difficult to find here in Germany, so I couldn't get the exact dome wig cap. This one I bought it from the sports section in Real, but it's really doing the job. It looks really like the real African dome cap. Anyway, so I start sewing the closure onto the dome cap using a needle and a thread. Yeah, I sew it in and make it quite tight so that it doesn't, you know, fall out or something. Make it really tight.
Even though it's slowly, I can see your plan unfolding open in front of me. My walk is far from over, strolling, holding on to pieces. The reasons I feel them chosen, rendered incomplete. A trophy far from worthy. Now I know we're steady praying that the seams of these dreams could be controlled with the Holy Spirit reigning over, pleading. Please public the thoughts of this poet. My soul is off and I know it. The daily routine of incompetence, attempt to portray your silent providence. Only you know that I'm the image of wickedness, lacking with access to everything. My lack is deliberate, lack wisdom and innocence, lack meekness. My weakness, deep to selfish ambivalence, self-righteous diction, the fulfillment to serve myself and my influence. Using your name's sake to make her name great. The sickness has crippled my mission, sipping on the gin. Knee deep in a battle, I'm wishing God bless the ignorant who saw my life a lack of delivered it. Fall on my knees, I worship you. I can feel the morning dew, sun shining through. There is nothing I can't do. If I is replaced with you, make haste and move. The seed can make mountains move. If it's ground in you, see the flower bloom. There is nothing we can't do. If we all look like you, let me write your truth. A life worth giving. My wrist, my feet, my crown. You know that feeling when evil surrounded you. It's only found in you, absolute and accountable, accounted for by the infallible, seeming compatible.
So after sewing the closure to the recap, I cut off the excess lace from the top because I'm going to use a hot glue gun to apply my bundles, to attach my bundles to the recap. Normally I don't cut it out when I'm using a needle and a thread to attach the bundles, but I think the bundles would look, the hair would look so weird when you apply glue onto the lace. Anyway, so today I'm using 3 bundles of 28 inches Brazilian hair, the closure is 22 inches, so that's how the hot glue gun looks like. Oh, I'm sorry guys, the beginning of the video didn't record. I actually thought I was recording, but the camera was on pause, so it didn't record, but you didn't miss much anyways. This is basically how you do it. You press the glue out to, of course, where you intend to attach your bundles. You press out the glue and attach the tip of the bundles. It's a very, very easy method, and this glue gun is also very cheap. I bought it, I think, €5 from Real. The only disadvantage with this method is that the glue dries quite fast, so you have to be really quick. I think between 5 to 10 seconds the glue dries up. But when the glue dries up, let it dry white and then you just peel it out. When it's dry white, like you can see, it's a little bit messy somewhere there. You see some white spots from the glue. Yeah, when you get those ones, you don't need to worry because they just, when it's dry, it just comes out. So I prefer this method to sewing because you can actually pierce your fingers while sewing. This is so easy, and So easy and less time consuming. So that's how you do it. It's really very simple, guys.
Yeah, when you find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find the one you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find the one you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Change sin, stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no.
After attaching the bundles to the wig cap, you cut off the excess wig cap from the front side, the one which is attached to the all round to the closure. You cut it out so that the closure looks clear. It looks clear, nothing underneath. Normally people bleach the knots of the closure, but I don't like it. I prefer to use my color foundation because it's like my skin tone. Anyway, so I put it on my head to see the hairline and how I'm going to cut off the front lace. Yeah, this is how I cut off the front lace, according to the shape of my head or according to how I would like it to lay on my head.
From the top, okay, drop that, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, feel the funk, y'all, yeah, you lay back in the cut, what's up, what's up?
From Alpha to Omega, VHS to Beta, PlayStation to Sega, my skill is still greater. The sickest thing since VD, wicked like VG. Live my life crooked like the left finger on ET. Please believe me, this be the realest thing I ever wrote. Right after talking to Pop, puffing on heavy smoke. Laugh now, cry later. My only dream in life was to rock a mic up in front of you spectators and rock shell toes, not gators. Show love, not haters. I'm switching over like crossfaders to a better time and place where it's safe, and they can't judge a nigga by the color of his face, but by the content of the way that I spit these letters. I'm kicking it with white boys and old navy sweaters, ball cap low on my eye, cause sometimes I'm listening to my style so much, I'm just trying to get by, I'm just.
So guys, our week is finally done. We've made it. We made it. Now all we have to do is style it. For styling, I'm using the Argan oil to help me with the styling and the ironing. Since this is a straight wig, I love it to lay flat on my head. With straight wigs, you have to really be careful because unlike curly and wavy hair, it really has to look straight and sleek on your head. For curly hair, it doesn't matter because it's already curly, however bulky it is on your head, it's not visible, nobody can notice it, unlike straight hair. So as you can see as well, my baby hair is so long. If I left it like this, it would be right in my eyes, guys, and this would be really uncomfortable. So I'm going to trim it a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to trim it quite a bit actually. And then styling, I love the middle parting for the straight hair. So I use my comb to make the middle part. To iron it, I use the iron and straighten it a little bit. Also, the most important part of this styling is the foam, the hair styling foam. This is very important because I use it to lay the wig very flat. Yeah, that's the foam. I actually apply quite an amount. As you can see, you can already see that the hair is going flat, you know, and sleek, laying sleek. So that's what I do. And then after trimming the baby hair, I style it also according to how I like it, and then I tie it overnight. So we shall see how it looks tomorrow. yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching until now so far. I hope you've learned how to make a wig from start.
Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love, gotta make sure that you love them right. Yeah, when you find out when you love. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine. My one time for the one time. I remember when we were still in college and your girl's boyfriend friends was always trying to holler, not a lot. Change sin, stand, but they don't want these problems. Let the top fold, ride slow. Let them know I got you, never been insecure. But I don't play about you, don't care who you were before or what they say about you. We fresh like air, no pollute. We didn't came too far, this no fluke. When you on my arm, you look great. Let them hate, cause they on mute. And girl, I bought you around my mom and them. Now I can't come around without you. I got money and respect, but you know that pussy's power. Type that make any man feel rejection. I was no coward. Got your heart in my possession. Guess you can say it's ours. You fine like, let me just say you gifted. No understatement, let me rephrase it. You so exquisite.
So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to be kind and love one another. Yeah.